Hey everyone, welcome to Sperm, and today you will learn about the new features of iOS 16. iOS 16 is the latest iOS available to install from iPhone 14 Pros to all the way back to iPhone 8. It comes with many useful features and today we are getting glimpse on top 7 features among them. So if you haven't updated it yet, watch the whole video and you might want to update it right now. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. And let's start with lock screen. You get many new wallpaper customizations. You can choose from many different lock screen presets and customize them as you wish. You can now also add widget to your lock screen. Next is auto cropping. Now you can tap and hold on the subject of photo and your iPhone will automatically crop out the subject. You can click on share and save it as PNG and the cutout is quite crispy. You can also select any picture from Photos application, edit it as you wish. Now you can click on this option icon and click on copy effect. Now what you have to do is just select all the pictures and click on option button and paste it. Another feature is in albums tab. Scroll down and select duplicates. In here it will show you all your images which have a duplicate on your phone. Click on merge and it will delete all the duplicate image while keeping the highest quality picture. You can also click on select all and merge all the duplicate images and videos. Apple has finally added haptic feedback in keyboard after a very long time. To enable it, go to settings, click on sound and haptics, click on keyboard feedback and enable haptic. iMessages got an update too. That's right, now you can unsend the message. Just tap and hold the message that you wish to unsend and click on undo send. And you can edit your message too. iOS 16 also got a nice update in dictation. Now it will add all the punctuation mark according to the sentence and you can also add emoji by just dictating. In weather app you can select a day and you can get information about all kind of different weather parameters for the next 10 days. Apple now have moved search button just above the app dock, right at your thumb's reach, which means it is now so easy to search through the whole phone like applications, contacts, messages, mails, etc. with just one click. So that is it for this video guys. Like the video if you found it interesting. Share and subscribe for more such videos. Also comment below what you want to watch next. Thanks for watching.